How to do Block Blast glitch to do high score in Block Blast. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into Block Blast and how we can boost our high score like a pro. While glitches might sound tempting, we're focusing on safe and smart strategies that we can use to dominate the leaderboard. So let's get started. So before we dive into the strategies, the main thing we need to know is that Block Blast is all about clearing lines of blocks and creating combos. The faster you clear, the higher score you get. So what we can do is look at your upcoming blocks and strategize where they will fit the best, just like this, and then try to avoid stacking up in one area too quickly and leaving yourself with gaps. Just don't leave any kind of gaps. And to boost your score even more or aim for combos, clear multiple lines in one go result, so that in massive points you can clear both rows and columns at once and you'll get bonus multipliers. So as you start progressing, larger blocks like the 3-3 squares will come into the play. So what you're gonna do is make sure you leave enough gap for these blocks that will help to keep the board clear and manageable. And let's also just talk about the main thing, which is revive feature. So this tool can bring back you into the game if you make a mistake, but it's limited, so you need to use it wisely. Just don't waste it too early. If you're early in the game and still figuring things out, it's okay to let a few mistakes go. You just need to save it for critical moments and use revive when you're about to lose a high score or when the game's nearly over and you've got a solid chance of clearing the board if you keep playing. And don't use it while you are on a low score. So if you're not close to a big score, it's better for you to save your revive when you can really make it count. And that's it. With these tips and the revive feature in your toolbox, you're ready to take your Block Blast game to the next level. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome gaming guides, and drop a comment with the highest Block Blast score. Until next time, happy blasting!